Coal ash is a very good resource material. It can be advantageously used in concrete works as well as fill applications. This film depicts its use as a fill material for road and rail embankments. But first things first, coal is a major source of energy. In India, about 70% electricity is generated in coal-fired thermal power stations. Indian coal has a very high ash content ranging from 35 to 45%. Annual generation of ash in India at present is about 100 million tons. Heavier particles of ash, approximately 20%, collected at the bottom of boiler is called bottom ash. 80% ash, which is very fine, flies with flue gases and collected at electrostatic precipitators is called fly ash. The unutilized bottom ash and fly ash mixed with water to form slurry and disposed of in ash pond is called pond ash. Both bottom ash and pond ash are very useful for filling works, such as development of low-lying areas, construction of road rail embankments, reinforced fill, etc. Ash has excellent geotechnical properties which are superior to earth, hitherto used for fill works. Ash from Badarpur Thermal Power Station has been successfully used in Noida Greater Noida Express Highway. Moist ash is being excavated from NTPC's Badarpur Thermal Power Station for the express highway by deploying excavators similar to bulk earth excavations. About 20% moisture available in ash helps to avoid the problems of fugitive ash during transportation. The operation is no different from excavating and transporting earth. Spreading of ash is done by deploying JCB. In case the moisture content in ash at this stage is less than the optimum moisture content, regular water sprinkling is done by deploying water tankers. Compaction is very conveniently achieved as compared to earth since the ash particles are spherical in shape. Regular compaction tests are carried out for density and moisture content at site similar to earthwork, layer by layer. About 20 lakh metric ton pond ash has been used in this express highway from Badarpur Thermal Power Station. Top layer of embankment is provided with earth cover to avoid problem of fugitive ash. We spoke to Mr. S.S. Raju, Joint General Manager, IRCON.
Noida Greater Noida Expressway is 24 km long, connecting Noida at Amity International School to the Golf Course at Greater Noida. Due to its inherent characteristics, the fly ash can be used in the embankment because it has got high drain facility, high permeability, and higher CBR value compared to the soil. Angle of internal friction is higher and easy to compact. Even in the monsoon we can carry out the work because of its higher achievement of the OMC in the shorter time, and you can use the same compaction equipment what is being used for the soils. Thus you can save this time in the construction, and as cost also, as it's available at free of cost from the nearby Pharma power stations which are at around 25 km distance.
Besides the use of ash as fill material for embankments, it is also excellent material for reinforced fill material in flyovers. The requirement of reinforced fill material comes in flyover work, where there is space limitation for construction of retaining wall. Ash serves as excellent reinforced fill material. Pond ash from Badapul Thermal Power Station is being used in Sarita Vihar flyover approach road as reinforced fill material. Geogrid is laid on the embankment and ash is dumped over it, and regular ash spreading, water sprinkling and compaction is done, as in the case of earth. Sarita Vihar flyover is being constructed by Messrs. Geman India Limited. We spoke to Mr. Hegde from Geman India Limited